Hey guys, so I just want to do a quick short video showing you my setup as far as software goes. As far as hardware, I'm using a gaming computer. I got it for like 400 bucks at Staples. It doesn't have to be, incredible powerful, but it doesn't have to be weak either. Mine's in between. And as far as software goes, I'm using Voicemeeter Banana. I was actually using Voicemeeter before, but it gave sort of an echo in my audio. I'm using a Blue Yeti mic. I got the Murdered Out, the black one. And these settings for the Voicemeeter Banana, it sort of gives a better audio quality, a little bit of bass. Now for game capture, I'm using the what do you call it? It's just a basic game capture HD Elgato. It's the HDS, so it's pretty portable, small little device. And this is the software that comes with it. It's the Game Capture HD software, and I actually record in the capture section. It's not on right now because I turned off the system. I just got done recording these 3 videos here. And then basically I go and I edit them. I remove stuff, clips that you're never going to see, whether time consuming or whatever. And then I export it to a file. And then what I do is I import it into AVS Video Editor. I actually got this whole suite of software, AVS software. It's not just this, but it comes with a whole bunch of software. And I got it for really cheap. I think it was like 60 bucks for license for all of it. I think it was a lifetime sort of deal. So what I do is I import, the game file and then the separate commentary file. You add the commentary file down here. You got the game file up there, and then I add gain to the audio because usually my gain is turned down all the way on the mic because the Blue Yeti I don't need it picking up sounds from across the house or even traffic. So what I do is I have it on almost 0, and then I turn up the gain in here to anywhere from 10 to 12. But my actual audio in the capture, I found the perfect mix for me, and that was actually 72 for commentary, 59 for game audio, and that turned out perfect in the last few recordings. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm good to go there. But that's just a quick little bit about what I'm doing. Once you got your files ready, you add your intro, you transition if you got one. And then you produce it, you export it to, there's nothing to save right now, but I export it to 1080p for YouTube, and that's pretty much that. So I don't know if this helped you any at all, but I know a lot of gamers don't tell you about their setup because they don't want the competition. And for recording screen capture like I'm doing right now, because it's obviously not a game, I'm using Camtasia. So that's pretty much that. So anyway, just thought I'd let you see what I'm doing here, and I will catch you on the flip side.